Advanced Project Canvas Guide. Can design tasks like organizing, comparing, and refining all be done in one place? In this video, we'll take you through 2 ways to level up your Project Canvas workflow. Design collation. 1. Auto-arrange. Select multiple images, tap Auto-arrange in the bottom toolbar, and your pictures will be automatically aligned in a grid. 2. Create group. Select 2 or more images, tap Create Group to move and scale them as a whole. Double tap to edit inside the group, then tap an empty area, or press ESC to exit. After selecting the group, you can also disband it with one tap in the toolbar. 3. Background style. Open Preferences in the upper right corner to set the canvas background style. You can even customize the background color. Design iteration. 1. Markup tool. The annotation toolbar at the top of the canvas lets you add freehand marks and comments freely. This makes feedback more visual and communication much more efficient. 2. Original comparison. Select a result image and tap it again to bring up a sliding comparison bar. Quickly compare details, composition, and style differences. 3. Reference picker. Select an image, hold down the Alt key, and then click on another image to set it as a reference for re-rendering. Easily unify styles and greatly improve your workflow efficiency. The Project Canvas is more than just a place to organize your images. It's a convenient all-in-one workspace that makes your design process smoother, clearer, more efficient, and hassle-free.